Hello guys, this is Chris and Lily's Magic Show, and today we're going to be showing you magic tricks using chemistry. First up is our dollar bill burning trick. A combustion reaction occurs between alcohol and oxygen in this magic trick. When the bill is soaked in an alcohol water solution, the alcohol has a high vapor pressure and is mainly on the outside of the material. Well, the bill is more fabric than paper, which is a good thing because paper is usually like torn up pieces mashed together to make notebook paper, but dollar bills are more like fabric. Well, when the bill is lit, the alcohol is what actually burns, and the temperature at which the alcohol burns is not high enough to evaporate the water, so the bill remains wet and isn't able to catch fire. Next up, we'll be having Lily perform the color disappearing act in water. Well, how she's doing this act is she has oil sitting on top of the water. Now you may ask, how is this happening? Well, oil doesn't dissolve in water because oil is less dense and it sits on top of water, and it also refracts light. So when she ends up dropping these droplets inside of the water, it hits the oil first and it sits on top, creating like a barrier before hitting the water, and it holds all of these droplets inside. Here you can see where the droplets are sitting on the bottom surface of the oil, and as she begins to put the toothpick in there, she pushes it into the water where it can dissolve and float freely, unlike in the oil where it is suspended inside. Next up is my favorite trick of them all, the fire and water trick. Alrighty. So, the heat of the flame imports energy to the gas trapped up under the glass, raising its pressure and pushing against the water. Well, when the flame is extinguished, the air cools, and less pressure is exerted against the water, allowing it to flow into the glass. Alright, thanks for tuning in to Chris and Lily's Magic Show. Please join us again next time.